Hello and welcome to Chris Mel FPV. Me and my buddy Josh here are out on this gloomy, rainy, cold, windy, almost winter afternoon to test this contraption. Which is a underslung remote controlled gimbal. And we're gonna try and take it up with a 5-inch and see how it works. All right, here I'm gonna have Josh manipulate the controls of the gyro cam. Go ahead and move them around to see how it works. Make sure everything's working. Heat it up and down a little bit. There you go. Alright, put it all the way back in launch position, pointing down, and we will take off.
The only thing, I think it needs like 15 more degrees of play each direction.
Yeah. I feel that weight for sure.
Just go up over, yeah, let me like stand down a little bit. Oh yeah, dude, that was cool. Yeah, there it locked up.
Did it? Maybe it's because we're going too far. It's a shitty controller.
Oh yeah, that could be actually.
And it's being blocked by a lot of carbon.
Yeah,
and shit.
it really is like a manual. Oh my.
Is it moving and working?
Oh yeah, dude. That is so cool.
Yeah, battery, you're 3.4, I don't care. We're going till 3.3. But yeah, that's kind of cool, it's working. Definitely need some refinements and some better servos. Especially if I got like the 180-degree metal geared ones. Then it would have all the range we need.
Oh yeah.
Do one more pass across the front here. And then we're coming from obviously I have to flip all the video right now, but it'll be upside down. But... oh, wind. Oh, yep, we're at 3.2, 3.3.
Oh shit.
Battery.
Dude, this is so cool. Fuck yeah.
Hopefully I didn't break it, landing it. Because it's a crazy contraption to try and land on the bottom. I'm like, I need to make like 12-inch legs.
Right, yeah. Just like Ario legs.